Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a room tour. This is my first apartment. I lived in a dorm for the first 3 years and I moved out last year and got this apartment. So it's been almost a year and some change since I've been here. And I wanted to come here and show you guys a quick tour just because I'm in the process of transitioning, and just in case I decide to change everything up, I just wanted to always remember what my first room looked like. So here we go. Everything I bought for my room was pretty affordable. I either bought them from IKEA, Walmart, Amazon, or Ross. And here I have a stool with IKEA fur on it with one of my favorite bags. And this clock right here was from Walmart. It was less than $10. And the calendar was also from Walmart. And the lamp you see right there was from Walmart as well. I think I bought it for less than $12. I'm gonna try to post the link of what I can find for you guys. And right here is one of my favorite part of my room. This is where I have my TV, which is from Walmart. The shelves are from IKEA. They were $45 each or $49. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna try to post a link. Then everything you see in the shelf are decoration stuff I got from Marshalls or Ross, I really didn't want to spend too much money. The Sephora bag is something you could pretty just walk into Sephora and, buy something and get the bag and use the bag. The little cubby holders at the bottom are from Family Dollar. I just like the striped white and black Sephora kind of look. And that lip you see on the wall is from Amazon. It's like a sticker. And my dresser was actually from the thrift store. It was brown and I was able to paint it white. That's my curtain. My curtain, I got that from Ross. $4 or $5. Over here I have my bed. It is a full bed. My comforter set was from Walmart. The things you see on the wall, the sticker, was also from Walmart. And the mirror you see right there is also from Walmart. I got it for $5. And I just kind of, wanted to add that look up there. The poster you see right in front of you is from Ross. I think I got that for $14 or $15 if I can remember. And yeah, you could always make your space look really cute on a budget. And over here is just, a mirror I got from Family Dollar, a Sephora bag, my glasses, and I think I got that Paris tower from Ross as well. So over here I have my vanity set. This is my favorite place in the morning. This is where I do my makeup. This whole area was actually DIY'd. The dresser was from the thrift store, painted it white, and attached some Walmart bathroom lights to the side of the mirror. And yeah, this is where I do my makeup. The makeup brush holder was from Ross. The mirror you see on the table is from Walmart. And yeah, it's so gorgeous. I'm so proud of this space in my room. And the fur was from Ross, and I just put it over a white chair that was also painted white as well. So over here I have some mirror decor that I got from Walmart. I think I got this for around $12. And over here I have this pineapple decor from Walmart as well. I think it was for like $10. And the thing behind it is from like a party I went to. I just liked the color, white and gold. I was like, this goes perfectly with my room. And here was some DIY project that I did. The frames was from the dollar store. So what I did was that I printed out some quotes and pictures and just cut them up and put them in dollar store frames, and use some command strips to hang them on the wall. So now we're gonna head to the bathroom. I love the fact that this apartment came with a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So I have my bathroom and my roommate has hers. I got the frames from the dollar store. They were $1 each. And I just used some command strips to put them to the wall. And my shower curtain was from Walmart as well. The things you see on my sink, the decor stuff, is from Walmart. I just love gold, as y'all can see. And the red bathroom accessories was also from Walmart. The whole set was for like $20. I think I remember ordering this online as well. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to ask me any questions about anything. I'll do my best to reply as soon as possible. I might do a whole apartment tour or maybe a living room tour, not sure yet. But just make sure you're subscribed, you like, and you comment. And just let me know if you would like to see more of this kind of videos or more DIY videos in the future. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.